HP's EliteBook 865G9 is a high-quality business notebook with the newest AMD hardware and integrated LTE connectivity. The EliteBook has the potential to be one of the best business notebooks around, but the SureView display in our test unit ruined our good impression despite its luminosity. The HP EliteBook 800 series features high-quality business laptops. This year, it has produced a 16-inch model that can be equipped with either an AMD or an Intel CPU. The Intel series is available as the EliteBook 860G9, the AMD model is named 865G9. We have tested the AMD model 865G9, model number 6F6H5EA, equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 6850U with an integrated Radeon 680M GPU, 16GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD and a 1610 IPS display, 1920 by 1200 pixels with an integrated privacy filter, SureView and a maximum brightness of 1000 nits.